morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are moving towards Karbi Northing.
This is the entrance gate of Karbi Youth Festival. So now we are moving towards the gate. You can enjoy with the road condition. I mean, you can enjoy with the street. See, most of the people are doing the various walk, like morning walk.
ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਆਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇਰੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਫਿੱਕਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਆਂ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਪਰ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕਹੇਂਗੀ ਸੱਚੀ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਮੈਂ ਉਮਰਾਂ ਲਈ ਖੜ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਮਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊंगा जे तू मेरी ना होई मेरे यारा.
Finally nonabang ke nilitum nang li gelo Karbi Youth Festival adim bonse tame ene obvious question ma punang lang la hai. So we have already reached this is the second entrance gate of Karbi Youth Festival. So you can see the compound. I'm trying to climb this bridge, but unfortunately the committee does not allow us to climb there because it may cause some damage, as well as it is very dangerous because it is very high. So sorry for that, we are not able to climb there. Hey bro, can you introduce yourself to my viewers?
Yeah, hi bro, I'm from Meghalaya.
And
I just came yesterday with my friends Sarungi.
Sarkiri.
Oh, Sarkiri.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And
To visit and to have this place only. And then I found very nice and interesting over here.
okay, thank you so much.
And then I'm enjoying also.
Okay, so now where we are moving?
Now we are moving ahead to the big building.
Big building like
It's
the one
called like
Nothing Pi.
on the Changpi.
Yeah, the name of the building is Nothing Pi,
Yeah.
and which is located in Karbi Anglong, Difu. Okay, thank you very much. So finally, this is Nothing Pi. Karbi Heritage Museum. I don't know whether we we will be able to go or not. But according to me, the building was open. Yeah, the building is open. And be careful, there is a CCTV camera. Please be disciplined, whoever come in this building. So you can also come and move, and make a video, as well as you can do you can climb this building, top of the building, on top of the building. So now we are climbing the building, the North MP building. Unfortunately, okay, no problem. We can look the views from here, as well as again we can climb there. Nona bangke nilitum no thank you lang sidolo. A building of construction aben ko pipima bangke nilina baklang ponpo ladaga scenery ko son ma. Ang sinanglitum nanglang don ignon. Non niling baklang ponji pu bangke. No thank you building ang song. Si pen views mane kelang ko son ma kelang abang nang baklang ponik po. Nabang second top bang. Nabak mang da views mang baklang ponik po. Wow, it's awesome. Where are they? Say hello to my viewers. Okay. So finally, nona bang gini litum lo teng pikilang dam la pena view suita nang litum tat hepon lo ni litum dang paklang ponik lo. Lasi nona bang gini litum kita no na lasto video bang ke lasi kapeka video sida minang litum nang launi pula din nili channel subscribe na. Please do subscribe my channel and please share my video, and thanks for watching.